Hi everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a beautiful dot mandala in this MDF board. I'll keep gold dot in the center. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep coral dots. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep dots in aqua blue. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep golden dots in oval shape. I'll keep dots in coral. I'll keep some more dots in coral. I'll walk the dots in coral. I'll walk the dots again in coral. I'll keep lumpy dots in gold. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep golden dots in oval shape. I'll keep aqua blue dots. I'll walk the dots in aqua blue. I'll walk the dots again in aqua blue. I'll keep brush strokes in aqua blue. I'll keep lumpy dots in gold. I'll keep coral dots. I'll keep tiny dots in coral. I'll keep aqua blue dots. I'll keep tiny dots in aqua blue. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep coral dots. I'll walk the dots in coral. I'll keep dots in aqua blue. I'll walk the dots in aqua blue. I'll keep brush strokes in coral. I'll keep brush strokes in aqua blue. I'll keep brush strokes in gold. I'll keep golden dots. I'll work the dots in coral. I'm sure this mandala came out really well. Thank you all for watching.